I'm cooking seafood rice with salmon and shrimp. These are shrimp here. Put it red pepper, olive, garlic, onion, red and white onion, some green onion, some salt as needed actually. These are 2 cups of rice, so the measurement is very easy once using actually. These are all shrimp and olive. Using 2 cups of rice and need 3 cups of water. Then as needed salt, shrimp, fish, and all other ingredient, olive, and everything right here. Once rice will soak water, I'm gonna put it, I will cover it with this for at least 20 minutes to steam. Once rice are water will be soaked in the rice will soak water, and there's no more water, then I'm gonna cover it and rice will be ready. I'm gonna leave it 15 to 20 minutes to steam. So once will be ready, I just gonna make a short video after that to see how it will go.